Video to fix Microsoft Office installation error code 0 to 1018 on Windows 11, and if Office refuses to install or keeps stopping midway. This video is for you. Are you facing this problem where the Office installer shows error 0 to 1018 again and again, even after restarting your PC and trying multiple times? This issue usually happens because another Office installation is stuck in the background. Windows installer services are not responding, or old Office files are blocking the new setup. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are complicated, full of long commands and hard to follow, and many of them ask you to reinstall Windows or remove Office in risky ways. On Rexish, I keep fixes simple and safe for everyone. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that clears the stuck installation process and allows Microsoft Office to install normally without losing files or settings. This method stops hidden installer tasks, resets required services, and removes the blockage causing error 0 to 1018. It works for Office 365, Office 2021, and older Office versions on Windows 11, and it takes only a few minutes to apply. If Microsoft Office keeps failing with error code 0 to 1018, this fix will save you time and stress. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial showing every click in action, comment below and let Rexish know, and I will guide you until Microsoft Office installs and works perfectly again.